Homeowners in Sterling Heights are always looking for ways to make their living spaces feel larger, brighter, and more inviting, without taking on a full-scale home addition. One elegant and highly effective solution is installing bow windows. These beautifully curved window systems don't just enhance curb appeal, they also create valuable interior space that can transform the way you use and enjoy your home. If you've ever wished your living room felt more open or your sitting area had a little extra breathing room, bow windows may be exactly what your Sterling Heights home needs. What makes bow windows unique? Bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels joined together in a gentle curve that projects outward from your home's exterior wall. Unlike bay windows, which typically feature 3 panels with sharp angles, bow windows create a rounded appearance that feels soft and expansive. From the inside, that curved extension becomes usable square footage. While the added space may seem modest from the outside, the difference inside your home can be surprisingly impactful. Creating extra interior space without major construction. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is how they add space without the disruption of a traditional room addition. Because the window structure extends outward, it creates a new nook inside your home. In Sterling Heights living rooms, this additional space can be used in several practical and beautiful ways. A cozy reading corner with a comfortable chair, built-in seating with hidden storage, a sunny spot for indoor plants, a small display area for decor or family photos, an extended ledge that functions as extra shelving instead of feeling confined by flat walls. You gain a dimensional area that enhances both functionality and flow. Bringing in more natural light. Sterling Heights experiences a wide range of seasonal weather, from snowy winters to sunny summer days. Bow windows are designed to capture light from multiple angles, which helps maximize natural sunlight throughout the year. Because bow windows use several glass panels arranged in a curve, they allow light to enter from different directions. This can dramatically brighten living areas that may have previously felt dim or enclosed. More natural light doesn't just make a room look larger, it can also improve mood and comfort, reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day, highlight architectural features and decor, make paint colors appear warmer and more vibrant. The result is a more open and welcoming living space that feels noticeably larger than before. Enhancing views and connection to the outdoors. Many Sterling Heights homeowners appreciate having a strong connection to their outdoor surroundings, whether it's a landscaped yard, tree-lined street, or neighborhood scenery. Bow windows provide panoramic views that standard flat windows simply can't match. The curved design widens your field of vision, allowing you to enjoy more of your outdoor space from the comfort of your living room. This expanded perspective adds depth to your interior, making the room feel less boxed in and more expansive. Even during colder Michigan months, bow windows allow you to feel connected to the outdoors while staying warm and comfortable inside. Increasing home value and appeal. Beyond the immediate benefits of added space and light, bow windows also enhance the overall character of your Sterling Heights home. Their graceful, architectural design adds dimension to both interior and exterior spaces. Inside, the added square footage and design interest can make your home more attractive to future buyers. Buyers often appreciate features that make living areas feel larger and more unique without sacrificing yard space. Because bow windows create a focal point, they can elevate the entire look of your living room, dining area, or even a spacious bedroom. Customizable to fit your home. Bow windows are highly customizable, allowing homeowners to select materials, finishes, and glass options that match their home's style. Whether your Sterling Heights property leans traditional or modern, bow windows can be tailored to complement your design preferences. You can also choose energy-efficient glass packages that help maintain indoor comfort during Michigan's changing seasons, keeping your new space enjoyable year-round. A smart way to expand your living area. If you're looking for a way to open up your Sterling Heights living space without undergoing major renovations, bow windows offer a practical and visually stunning solution. They add usable interior space, invite in abundant natural light, and create a sense of openness that transforms everyday living. With the right design and professional installation, Bow windows can turn an ordinary room into your favorite space in the house, bright, spacious, and uniquely yours.